Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Wise and I'm your host Kamlesh Sharma. So as you can see from the introduction that here we are going to see how to protect the workbook and a worksheet. Now as you can see I have opened Microsoft Excel. The first thing which we will see is how to protect the workbook. Okay, for that click on File and under this Info tab you can see that there is this option Protect Workbook. Okay, so click on this and see the second option, encrypt with password. Right, there are many options to select from here, but we want to protect the workbook, so we will click on this second option, encrypt with password. Click, and it shows you a small dialog box which asks you to enter a password. Okay, remember to enter the password which you can remember, right? So I'm using ABCD. Okay, click OK. It will ask you to re-enter the password, so re-enter the same password, ABCD. Okay, now can you see this protect workbook has been highlighted. Now you can see there is this some colored boundary coming here, so that means that our workbook has been protected. Now let us go to home, and now let us do one thing. Let's type some content here, Microsoft Excel, right? And let me just make it a little bigger. I'm changing its size. And now what we will do is we will first save this file, we will close this file, and then we will try to open this file, open this workbook to see whether the protection has been applied or not. Okay, so we are saving this file, and I'm going to the desktop and I'm writing the name sample workbook. Okay, save. You can see the name has changed. Now I'm closing this file. Okay. Now this is my sample workbook. Open it up. Okay. So the protection has been applied here because it's not opening up. It is first asking for the password. Okay. So if you enter a wrong password, let's say I'm typing 123. Oh, the password you supplied is not correct. Verify the caps lock is off and make sure the correct capitalization. Okay. Alright, so we are closing it. Let us try it once again. Now I'm writing the correct password, ABCD, and OK. Fine. So that means when you enter the correct password, you can enter the workbook. Okay. So this shows that your workbook has been protected, and it is a very nice way of protecting it. Now, how to unprotect this workbook? Okay. So go to file once again. In the info tab, again click on this protect workbook. Now see, this is highlighted as I told you a few minutes back. Let's click here. Again click on this encrypt password, and here simply select the password and press delete. Okay. So what we did not do any other thing. We just went and deleted the password and hit this OK button. Simple. Now you can see this protect workbook option has become normal. It is no more protected, right? So let's go back into the home tab, and now we are saving this and we are closing the sample workbook. Let's try opening it again to check whether the protection has been removed or not. Yeah, and you can see I am able to open this workbook. That means there is no more protection applied. Alright, so this is how you can apply the protection on the workbook, and you can even remove that protection. Okay, now let me tell you another way of protecting your workbook. One way was to go to file and info and protect workbook. Another way is go to the review tab, uh, go to the review tab, yeah, and in this protect, click on this protect workbook. Okay, so here you can choose what do you want to do to your workbook. You want to protect your workbook for structure or for windows. When you click on structures, that means the entire structure of your workbook, all the formattings and everything will be kept intact. Nobody will be able to change the structure. Okay, So here also you can give the password and hit OK button. I'm not doing this. I just want to show you the option. Okay, another, see how to protect a worksheet, right? Like for example, I've got 3 worksheets in my current workbook and I want to protect this sheet 1. Okay, so there are a couple of ways in which you can do this protection of worksheet. The first way is right click on the sheet. First select the sheet which you want to protect. Okay, like I want to protect my sheet 1, so I will right click on this sheet 1 and here I can see this protect sheet option. Click on this and here you have to put a password for the protection. And see, there are certain options here which are a little advanced. First we'll use the password and then I'll later on tell you what does these options means. Okay, so I'm putting the password as ABC. Okay, re-enter the password ABC. Okay, right. So now this is my sheet 2 and this is my sheet 1. I'm closing this once again. Do you want to save the change? Yes, you have to save the changes to apply that protection. Open it again. Now see, the workbook opened easily, but when I am going to do any changes, can you see this? The cell or chart that you are trying to change is protected and therefore read only. To modify or a protected cell, you first remove protection using the unprotect sheet command. Okay, so that is an important thing. Once you have protected your worksheet, the workbook will open, but that worksheet which you have protected is not going to allow the user to change anything into it. Okay, so that's one thing. Now I'm right clicking on the sheet and I am this time going to unprotect my sheet. Okay, unprotect the sheet, ABC, enter. Okay, now see whether I'm able to enter. Yeah, okay, so that's how you can protect a worksheet. I hope you have understood this thing, right? Now what is the other way of protecting the sheet? Okay, go to review. In the review tab you will see protect worksheet. Okay, so here also you can protect your sheet, right? The third way is go to file, in the info tab click on this protect workbook and click on this protect current sheet. The same dialog box is going to open up every time. Okay, the only thing is there are certain, there are different ways of reaching this protect worksheet, right? Okay, now what is the fourth method? From home you can go to the cell section and in the format you can go to this protect sheet. All right, so the 4 different ways of protecting your worksheet. First is right click on the sheet and click on protect sheet. Another is review, click on this protect sheet. Then the third way is under the home tabs you have this format, from where you can click on the protect sheet. And the fourth one is go to file, under info click on this protect sheet, protect workbook, and under this you have the third option, protect current sheet. All right, so these are the couple of ways with which you can protect your sheet. Now I want to show you the options which we overlooked a few minutes back. Okay, so this time I'm going to home and under the format I'm clicking on this protect sheet. Now see, the protect sheet option has come here. Now what happens is, let us read these things. Allow all users of this worksheet to see. The point is, if you are protecting your sheet but you still want the user to access certain things in your sheet, then you can choose these options. Okay, so suppose your sheet is logged but you still want the user to insert the row. Okay, insert the column, right? Then let's say delete the rows and delete the columns. Then you can check mark on these options and click OK. Right? I hope you would have understood. Under the protect sheet option, under the protect sheet dialog box, while you are entering your password, you have a flexibility, you have an option to allow the user what all activities they can do while the sheet is still protected. Okay, so this is a wonderful option to practice, right? Now I have to give a password before I hit the OK button, so I'm putting ABC again as the password. Click OK. It will ask me to re-enter. Again I'm putting the same password, ABC. OK. Now let us save this sheet and let us uh, close this sheet. ठीक है, workbook, right? मैंने Excel, I have not closed the Excel, I have only closed the workbook. Now I want to open that sample workbook again. See, under the open tab I can see sample workbook as the top one. So here we go. Now see, if I want to enter something, it is not going to allow me, right? But if I want to insert a column, right click, insert, it will allow me, right? Similarly, right click on the row and insert, it is allowing me, right? Now if I hope you would have understood how you can protect the sheet in the different ways and how you can allow certain activities to the user even when your sheet is protected. Okay, so I hope you would find this video interesting and informative. If yes, then go and press the like button and share with the people whom you think it is going to be useful. Bye bye and take care.